Okay, here we are in Puerto Rico again with my friend Diego, my cousin. He's a Puerto Rican chef, and he's going to show us how to make plantain soup today. So Diego, can you tell us what seasonings go into this plantain soup?
Yeah, the first thing is sofrito. Sofrito, the sofrito, you put this thing, tomato, ají dulce, onion, pepper, culantro, cilantrillo, garlic. You put it in the blender and you're gonna have this, sofrito. That's a Puerto Rican season.
Okay,
And then one
package.
package of seasoned Knorr with achiote and three chicken cubes and two plantains and six cups of water.
Okay, and the other important part is you have to have a beer, right?
In your hand.
You gotta have
Always.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is take this, blend it all up. We're gonna shred this plantain and get it in this pot and go from there. So
We're gonna put all together in the pot. The water and the sofrito and everything. And then to the stove.
Okay, we'll be right back.
You have the meat, any meat that you want. Ham.
Okay, so you shredding the plantain,
Uh-huh.
okay, and then you can add what to it after a while? Meat?
Any meat that you want. Chicken, ham, or a sausage, or I like with shrimp.
Okay. So you gotta really shred that pretty good.
Yeah, in the fine side.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Chicken.
Okay, so you put the some chicken in there now?
Yes, I like to make it with chicken
Okay.
this time.
And that's like what, chicken breast, whatever kind, but just
Yeah,
chicken
chicken
pieces.
breast.
Yeah, okay. Chopped up. Okay, now we put the seasoning.
Put the seasoning. Is the best, Knorr. And the cubes,
Okay.
the chicken,
The cubes of chicken.
no meat, chicken.
Yeah, we're okay. And so then after you put the cubes in, then you put the 6 cups of water.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And the most important is the sofrito.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, how much sofrito?
Sofrito.
So with 2 plantains and what you put in there, how much sofrito?
Mira. 1, 2,
2.
2 full
Full, big, maybe a little more. Okay.
tips.
Okay. All right.
Now, the water. Two, 4, and 6.
Okay.
That's all.
All right.
Now to the stove.
To the stove. Okay.
And you're gonna move it.
Mix it up. Get it all mixed in and put it on the stove.
Sarah, this soup with shrimp is delicious.
I'll bet it would be.
I make a big one for Joel in the Christmas party.
Sounds delicious.
So yeah, we could put anything: shrimp, chicken.
Yeah, ham,
pork.
chicken, any meat that you want.
Okay, but all raw, but it all cooks together.
If you don't
Okay.
want to put meat, you put gandules. Pote de gandules.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Yeah, gandules are good.
Okay, I have the plantain there. If you want, you take 2 today, and tomorrow you practice, or after tomorrow you make your house, or you want to come here and you make alone,
Oh, okay.
you know, by yourself, because I like that you learn.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put it on the fire.
Yes.
So on just kind of low heat or high heat? Medium heat?
Medium heat. And forget about it.
Wait, drink some beer. Okay. Okay, so what happened? You get,
Agasara.
it starts to foam.
The foam start. And you
Okay.
see this?
Yeah,
We have to blow that bowl.
okay. So stir it and break the big pieces up.
Little by little.
Yeah. Okay. So you just simmer it now.
See.
Low flame. Okay, the soup is about ready here. So if you want to come in here and take a quick look, it looks like those plantains, they get big chunks, but you got to keep stirring it and breaking them up. And once you break them all up, keep it on the simmer.
This
And
is
yeah,
the
and
chicken.
This is the chicken. We got chicken plantain soup. So it looks wonderful. So we can't wait here. So we got to drink
Yeah.
another beer.
Yes.
Okay.
This soup is very good with bread and garlic.
Garlic.
Sounds good. Ready to eat.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Chef Diego.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're eating the plantain soup, and I'll tell you what, this is excellent. Yeah, it's worth making it. So yeah, with the chicken and the plantains and the sofrito in there, unbelievable. Very good.
Tell them that you're gonna make
We're gonna make it
in Chicago.
in Chicago
In Chicago.
the next time. So thanks for looking. Go start cooking.